My name is Albert Play. I stay in Malaket village. I'm guide from Malaket to Double Decker to Nongriat.
छोटा छोटा इंग्लिश में छोटा छोटा
Okay.
What about say on this day then Sonam and Raja Raghuvanshi was met to you on the
In
day
22
22.
22 Tariq, I saw him that 2% only, that Raja and Sonam. But 22 I don't know that name the Raja, and before I know that name Raja and Sonam.
What he talked to you on this day?
No, he don't talk to me because for me I talk with them because I have Bhawan Sai Kupana. That is my friend. That English also he know little, but I told you. He told me you go to ask them to take guide tomorrow. But then I go to ask them. Yeah, Sonam and Raja. Then I talk first. I talk Raja Raghuvanshi, but he don't know English. He know little bit, very little. That's why I have to talk with Sonam because she know the English. I told him you have to take local guide tomorrow because you get lost from Terna village, but you get lost there. But you have to take taxi. You get lost. You have to pay 3,000, 4,000, something like that. But you have to take taxi. Then he asked me, I don't want guide tomorrow because I don't want guide tomorrow because I came today, but I know tomorrow the way.
Okay. On 22, that's it.
Yeah, 22. Yeah.
23rd, what happened?
23rd, I saw him on the middle way. It's not middle. Thora niche. I don't talk with them. I saw him with Raja and three people. He go together, and Sonam Rakuvanshi he came behind.
Okay. तो उस दिन क्या राजा था उस समय on that day Raja with
What with three people?
with three people.
Yeah.
Raja Raghuvanshi, Sonam and on three Piyush.
Raja with three people he go together, but that Sonam Raghuvanshi he came behind. I saw him behind.
After this incident, you informed police also?
Yeah, because for me I don't know first because I saw that YouTube. I saw him, but I don't know the name also. Before I don't know the name that Raja and Sonam.
After that, you can inform.
Yeah.
So, police will talk to you also?
Yeah. It's okay.
What you say on police?
Yeah, same thing I talk. Same thing I talk with police also.
You can, how much you can, they can say anything about on this incident? You know that everything, your guide and your partner guide.
Yeah.
He accompanied you.
I asked them all tourists. We came from Malakhet village. You have to take local guide because safe is necessary. Guide is compulsory because there are also many way, but you get lost. Sometimes you don't see double decker because there also diversion. That's why you have to take local guide.
So, any other talk और किसी कुछ छोटा बातचीत हुआ है उनसे किसी भी तरह का any what about any another issues we can talk to you also Sonam and Raja Raghuvanshi on 22
No,
nothing
nothing.
so you saw the faces you can identify the faces on that person on three people you identify the face on three people?
Yeah, that three people I saw that one person only. I remember that one person.
Okay. So what's
That another person I remember a little bit, but that one guy.
you saw the photo that you can identify
Yeah, I have photo also.
you have photo
Yeah.
so you identify these people
Yeah.
and you show up the police also